Welcome to guys. Uh, so recently Microsoft launched new updates, so many problems: Outlook problem, OneDrive problem, VPN problem, Microsoft Team problem, and more than issue in this updates. So this is June update. So how to solve this problem? So you just click the control panel and type control panel and go to control panel and uninstall programs, and then uninstall view install updates. So KB5014699 you want to just uninstall and then okay. So Microsoft also confirm the issue in this update, so please uninstall, because the when rollback launch from Microsoft then again install. So now you want to uninstall. Actually more than bugs, also more than problem also, and Outlook problem, OneDrive problem, Microsoft Teams problem. So guys, then when you finish around 15 to 20 minutes, and then disconnect your internet and then restart. If you're using laptop, so disconnect the Wi-Fi. If you're using desktop, so remove your LAN cable and then restart. So please reminder, remove your internet connection, otherwise he again install when you don't disconnect internet cable. Okay, so guys, thank you. If you not removing, so please comment me. I have more than suggest you how to uninstall other way.